So welcome back to dear students to physics vision classes, and the given doubt is let A and B be two three-dimensional vectors and we need to calculate the component of B that is perpendicular to A. Okay, solution. This is basically Gram-Schmidt orthonormalization process, in which this is the Gram-Schmidt process in which if we have two vectors, let's say this is vector 1, vector A, this is vector B. So if we need to calculate a vector component of a vector B in the direction of A, this will be this one, and if theta is the angle between them, then this theta represents this component is B cos theta given by the dot product, and this is the perpendicular component of B, which is B sin theta. We need to write it down in the given form as in the options, given in the options. तो कैसे करेंगे? Let us write the perpendicular parallel component, that is B cos theta, which can be written as AB cos theta divided by A, okay, which can be written as A vector dot B vector divided by A, or A cap dot B vector. So this is the component, but this is the magnitude only. In order to make it a vector, we need to multiply it with the direction, that is the direction of A. Since this is in the direction of A, so this is multiplied with A cap. Now the perpendicular component will be given by the total vector minus the parallel component, which is A dot B vector A cap, which is further, which can be written as, if we take A dot A here, that is A square, and divide it by A square, and minus, if we make this unit vector as a full vector, dot b cap b vector, और इसको भी vector बना लेंगे. Since we have multiplied it with A square, magnitude A square, we'll divide it with A square again, okay. And this relation, by using the property of A cross B cross C, A cross B cross C, this relation can be written as A cross B cross A divided by A square, definitely. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Okay, so thanks for watching.